Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of AJAWI TV, where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. I'm your host, I'm AJAWI, and today I'm gonna be dropping a little gem for you. I'm not gonna be long with this video because I want to get straight to the point in giving you the secret to designing and building your home. Here's the secret. If you have a great design, beautiful, well designed, you thought of everything that needs to be in this home. It is your dream home, and you have given this project to a contractor that is not capable of building or following your building plan or your design, you will not end up with a great end product. If you don't have the right budget, you won't end up with the end product that you consider to be well done. Why do I say this? A lot of times people design structures, design buildings, or design their dream home, and they decide to select a contractor on a shoestring budget, only to end up with a monstrosity at the end of the day. Construction is very costly. Whatever you design must fit the budget. So you can't have a design that is out of this world and then expect to do it on a shoestring budget. It doesn't work. So you have to be mindful of that. And that is why you should always start off your design with a budget. Right? You can have the greatest design on paper, but you still can't build it in real life because you don't have the budget, or you selected the wrong contractor. I'll give you an example. I was speaking to a contractor the other day, and they were building something for us, right? And decided to change the cabinets in the building, change how the cabinets operated. They wanted to change it to what they felt it should be, and it didn't operate, it didn't open and close, it didn't look anything like what we wanted it to be. And the excuse given is that these cabinets, this is the one that they gave us, these cabinets, when you have a house, you have to have, large cabinets, man, and you have to be able to put things in there. But it wasn't according to design, one, and two, the use of the cabinet is not the same, or it's not what we intended it for. So he was doing his thing and the client required a different thing. Now, in such a situation, I would say that contractor is not fit for the project, right? So always keep that in mind. If you have a great product, or if you have a great design, if you don't select the right contractor, then you won't get the result that you want. So if you want to cheap it out, that's right, I'm gonna say it. If you want to go cheap, expect a cheap result. The reason why I say that additionally is I went to one of our projects that was recently completed, and I'm telling you, when I walked through the property, it was well done by the contractor. The budget was on point. The finished product was on point, right? And just the level of quality, the quality of the work that was done was way better, right? This is simply because the contractor understood the assignment, right? He understood the assignment, which was to get this product or this project done, and done within the budget or according to the budget, whatever budget that is for them. And according to design. So always keep that in mind as you as a homeowner or as a let's say returning resident, right? If you design a great product, if you design this great dream home and you select a contractor that is cheap, you're going to get cheap results. That's it. That's the gem. Peace out. See you next time. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we make videos just like this one. I know some hot up some people head today, but I just say go. Sometimes you have to just tell the truth. You can't expect to give a man a Toyota money if you go buy a BMW or a Benz. As a matter of fact, you can't give a man a BMW money if you go buy a Bugatti. Just the reality. Remember that.
Building your dream home should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. But we understand the stress and challenges that often accompany construction projects. At AJAWI Limited, we believe that designing and building your home should be stress-free. Our goal is to eliminate that stress by delivering your projects within budget while exceeding your expectations. What sets us apart is our comprehensive one-stop-shop solution. From design to construction, we handle every aspect of your residential project, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Throughout the entire process, we maintain complete transparency. You'll receive real-time updates, allowing you to stay informed and involved every step of the way. With advanced technologies like 360-degree video site inspection, drone survey, and building information modeling, we bridge the distance. Even if you're miles away, we make it as if you're right here in Jamaica. Don't let distance or stress hinder your dream of a perfect home. Contact AJAWI Limited today at 876-312-6036 and take the first step towards making your dream home a reality. AJAWI Limited, your trusted partner in building dreams.